Emily's happy with her new home, but her kitchen's a little cramped. She'd like to add some accents to make it more homey and fun, but with a limited amount of space, she's not sure what to do. A friend suggested an indoor garden, but Emalie has never had much of a green thumb. Help is on the way. Marianne Binetti is a professional horticulturalist who's written numerous books and articles on the subject of gardening.
Hi. Yes, Marianne.
Yes, I'm here to help you with your kitchen and your brown thumb.
Perfect. Come on in.
Well, let's get started.
I'm so glad that you were able to come. You'll see when we go in there, the kitchen is really cute. Honestly, I love my new kitchen, but it just needs that personality to it, I guess. One of my friends suggested that I try some plants, and I honestly just don't even know where to begin.
Oh, well, I'm so happy you asked because something's really bugging me right now just when I walk in the door. It's that right there. That is fake flowers. And I've come to tell you that fake flowers are totally out because real plants, they don't just look better, but they clean the air, they make you healthier, and we can do some amazing things even though you have that very small kitchen.
I would love that. I know nothing.
It's so easy on a budget to have lots of house plants. So I'm ready to get started if you are.
Yeah, let me go show you the kitchen.
Okay, but I gotta switch this out first. There you go. Okay, Emalie, here is your first official gift of your new life with houseplants.
Woo!
Okay, so this is probably the easiest way to get started.
Okay.
You buy houseplants in these little plastic pots. They can stay in these pots for months. You don't need to do anything fancy. It's just important that they're in a container, that drains freely. Are you ready to put on your gardening gloves?
Yes.
Okay. You're a gardener now. You have gardening gloves. And I'm going to show you how to transplant a houseplant.
Okay, does it matter what kind of soil I use?
Always invest in potting soil because it drains better. And houseplants will die from, root rot if they don't have good drainage. Always have holes in the bottom of the container and use potting soil. Anytime a plant is in a container especially, there's no place for it to get food. So that is why I brought you this slow release fertilizer. This is the Osmocote plant food, and this is what I want you to sprinkle into the soil.
Okay.
And then mix it in with your hand. Then we're gonna add the plant. So you go ahead and pour that into the soil. This is a kind of a special product.
Okay.
It solves mistakes. It dissolves very, very slowly as the plants need it. So you really can't over-fertilize her. Okay. And now, I think we're ready to water the plant.
Perfect. Do I need to fertilize every time I water it?
Good question. No, not when you use Osmocote. Remember, this is the foolproof fertilizer. So it's gonna release the nutrients for 6 months. You don't have to think about it. It's for lazy gardeners.
Oh, good, because I would forget.
Yes. Yeah. Does that feel moist?
I'd say it does.
Then it does not need water.
After learning how to pot decorative plants, Marianne decides that Emalie is ready for edibles.
Parsley, yeah. Basil, make a little pesto.
Is that lettuce?
Yes, I love that idea that you can buy lettuce, in a little 4-inch pot and just keep harvesting the lower leaves. And I just put fresh lettuce leaves in my sandwiches, and it's so much better for you.
Is it safe to use the same fertilizer on them?
Yes, it is appropriate to use on all edible plants, indoor, outdoor. So, it's easy. So don't be afraid to grow your breakfast and lunch and dinner.
Now that Emalie was well on her way towards a green thumb, it was time to talk about placement.
Let's get these kind of maybe up on the cupboards. And then this can go in a bright light location. Oh my gosh, it looks better already. Remember, feel the soil. When you're making new plants, you want to be sure that when you're transplanting, you use potting soil and fertilizer. Okay?
Perfect.
Slow release plant food. All right. Thanks, Emalie. This has been so fun.
Thank you.
For more information on the benefits of Osmocote, check out our website at osmocotegarden.com.